Wow, another beautiful but chilly warm morning. Makes you feel good inside though. Wrapped up days, nice and warm today. If you watched yesterday's video, it was pretty cold. Today I've wrapped up, well, I've laid differently. So hello, good morning. It's Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures. Yes, I'm on the mountain bike. Again, there's just lots of snow and ice around, so it just makes sense just to jump on the mountain bike, still get riding. My last ride, if you watch that video, all I had on was like a jersey and jersey, arm warmers. Yeah, we'd have arm warmers, just like a thickish jersey and a gilet on the top half, and it was just a bit too cold really. So today, jersey on, same jersey, but I've got this fleecy top on as well. I nearly put a gilet on as well, but I thought this would be perfectly fine. Anyways, that's how I dressed today, if you really want to know. And feel free to head down in the comments below, because it's always fun getting out of the door this time of year, isn't it? Anyway, today's ride, it's going to be about 100k if I'm managing it around. It's a trip from here in Clifford's, where I'm living for the next couple of months, and heading to the market town of Alford. It's in Alfredton. Right, anyway, let's get on the road a little bit more, something more interesting. Talking of roads, it's going to be mostly a road ride today. I didn't want it to be too frivolous, off-roading, so I'm sticking to where I know the most. It's a 100k ride. It's about 10:15 in the afternoon, so I don't have loads of time. So, and I didn't bring a footlight. Anyway, let's get up that track and see where we end up today. So if you live in northeast Lincolnshire, that's the district of Lincolnshire that I'm in right now, you may well recognise this gravel track. It runs between Humberston and Tetney, coming up to the, let me get it right, Alpaca Farm. Morning. It's too warm. Just trying to get some ventilation going. I know it sounds unconventional, but what I have done in past years, I just put a full sleeve jacket on and then put arm warmers over the top, and if I get too warm, just put the arm warmers down. But they're on the outside, you know what I mean? Well, I think this is the look I'm going to go for. I'll probably get a couple of miles up the road and I'll be too cold again. Do you suffer from this problem? Let me know down there. What am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? Well, what am I doing wrong, obviously? I don't know. I guess really I should have just gone for something with more windproofing properties instead of insulated over the top of a jersey, you know what I mean? So this is a Horseshoe Pass, or Point. Horseshoe Point. So I'm just heading away from the coast now, back onto the coastal road. And I think that's, for most of the ride, it's going to be on road now. There is a bit of off-road later on, near Legbourne and Louth. But it's mostly on road for the rest of the day. And yes, I'm feeling cold again. Just really difficult to get it right. I think this is what's going to be, is going to be all about. So the last 7k I've been thinking about. All I've been thinking about is where I'm going to ride today. Am I going to cut it short? I can't get the body temperature right. The bike I'm on, the mountain bike, it's pretty slow on the road. It's not quite as fun as it either. I've been trying to distract myself, think about what I'm going to do tomorrow instead, and it kind of gets worse really, because the gravel bike's got slick gravel tyres on, about 38C, but they're not really gravel tyres. I took them when I went to the Netherlands back in October time, and I'm just waiting for the Turbo Booster X from Tailfin to arrive. It's like this canister, you preload it with air, it helps you seat tubeless tyres. So once that's arrived, I'll put the 45Cs back on because it's a bit problematic. Till then, I'm thinking, you know, I'm like, do I really want to go on the gravel bike? Don't really know. So yeah, I think tomorrow if I do go out on the gravel bike, what I'm going to have to do is just be a bit more selective on the roads. That's the problem, isn't it? When it's you know, when there's, you got to stick to the gritted roads, and that's where most of the cars are, unfortunately. As I'm debating where I'm going to go, I think I might head as far as Mablethorpe and then come back by Louth. Just an idea. Who knows where I'm going to end up. So right now, heading towards Skidbrook, the most haunted church in the whole of Lincolnshire. From Alford now, about a mile up the road I think. I am a little bit concerned about time because I didn't bring a front light this stupid me. I thought, well, but I don't need to bother, I don't need an extra weight. And it's not about the weight, is it? About having the right things with you. About 45k done, 55 way back. I'm sure you're the same, maybe not. You eat too much over Christmas, you put lots of weight on, and desperately want to get rid of it. Right, talking of food, Cooplands is just up the road from here in Alford. It should be open. I think it's Sundays that it's closed. Fingers crossed. If not, Co-op it is. Coopland's not there anymore. What? Co-op it is then. Maybe it's hot food here. I'm out of the look. Get this in me. Look at that. Yummy. Oh, I came past here. It is open. Just looks closed. So Cooplands. Just roll, please. Just one, please. Yeah. And a lemon drizzle cake, please. Remember correctly, heading to Clayworth, the water mill there. Quite late on in the day now as well, so any frost. Apart from in the shade, they're all gone. And pretty certain any snowfall will have gone, because it hasn't really snowed a lot, to be fair. Although it did snow at home yesterday overnight. A little sprinkling this morning when we woke up. So So what do you think to this camera mount around my neck? Not very fetching, but it's very functional. Not too much more up, and I think it's won't be much longer than we're going off road. So I'm about to go off road again over near that farm over there. Just a bit of a chit chat really. Do you know when you go somewhere and you're like, oh, I've never been this way before, then you see something and you're like, yeah, definitely have. So I just had one of those moments near AB. What gave it away was like an old derelict railway bridge. I remember, it must have been 5 years ago now. There used to be a company that put sportifs on in Lincolnshire called Sportif HQ, and in parts of Yorkshire as well, very popular. I think it was I was out there, probably the last event, the Festive 50 in Brig. They're not doing them anymore, unfortunately. Everybody's moved to gravel and other things, haven't they? Don't know which sportif it was. Anyway, it went under the bridge. There was a feed station just before it, and I remember a village hall being on the right, which that's also gone as well. I remember it quite well because where the railway bridge is, we'd gone into the feed station, that's up to it, then it started pissing down, and of course everybody was hiding under the railway bridge. So yeah, I thought I'd share that memory with you. My ramblings. I'm just about to get to that farm. I believe it's that farm there, and then it's across some field, and it might get a bit muddy, but I'm sure she'll be fine. It's not life threatening. I'm just slow going. This is actually a bridle way. It's going to take us to those woods up ahead, where I'm expecting a bit of a mud bath at the end. Nearly coming to an end. The bike was lovely and clean before I hit this trail. I'll show you what it's like when I get back to tarmac in a moment. Go. Means I'm gonna have to wash the bike now. I was gonna get away with it. Not too far from Louth now. 30 odd K. Should get in before dark, he says. Right, let's keep moving. You see down there, look. Right, just coming into Alvingham. Not Alfordton. Just stop and have that lemon drizzle cake I squashed into my back pocket, I think. Coros tells me I'm 24k from home, so nearly done. Somewhere there is a bit of sunlight on my face. Oh, oh, look at that, nice. Well, pretty much into the golden hour, I think. It's pretty low on the horizon now. It's been a gorgeous day, and I hope you've enjoyed the ride with me. Hope you enjoyed it. Got any comments, questions? As always, stick them down below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit that button. It really helps people find my channel and spread the word of bikepacking adventures. Right, I'm nearly done. So I think I'm going to leave the video right here, and I'll see you in the next one, whenever that might be. Hopefully ice 3. Who knows? Alright, what's the Coros saying? Watch out for the bends. Right, on that note, I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye. Final stretch.